Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the ultimate showdown on our channel, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two tech titans against each other: the Apple iPhone 12 mini versus the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. It's David versus Goliath, but who's who? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The iPhone 12 mini will set you back a cool $311. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G comes in at a wallet-friendly $158. Reviewers appreciate the iPhone 12 mini's premium feel, but often mention the higher cost. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 5G is praised for its affordability and value for money. Now, let's move on to the display. The iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's smaller but offers sharp and vibrant visuals. Reviewers love the compact size and screen quality, though some find it a bit too small. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 5G boasts a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Reviewers are impressed by its large, immersive screen and smooth performance. Next, let's talk cameras. The iPhone 12 mini packs a 12MP dual camera system. Reviewers highlight its excellent photo quality and reliable performance. But the Galaxy A15 5G steps up the game with a 50MP triple camera system. Reviewers rave about the high-resolution images and versatile camera setup, making it a favorite for photography enthusiasts. Performance time. The iPhone 12 mini runs on Apple's A14 Bionic chip. Reviewers commend its fast and smooth performance. The Galaxy A15 5G, however, is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus with an octa-core processor and 6 GB of RAM. Reviewers find it capable and versatile, handling multiple tasks with ease. Battery life. Because nobody likes being tethered to a wall, the iPhone 12 mini guarantees a minimum of 80% battery capacity. Reviewers often mention the decent battery life, but note it needs frequent charging. The Galaxy A15 5G packs a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Reviewers love its long-lasting battery, often highlighting it as a standout feature. Now, for compatibility, the iPhone 12 mini is unlocked and works with any carrier. Reviewers appreciate the flexibility and ease of use. The Galaxy A15 5G is also compatible with most GSM carriers and some CDMA carriers. However, reviewers note that it's the international model, so there's no US warranty, which could be a downside for some. To sum up the reviews, the iPhone 12 mini is praised for its premium build, excellent camera quality, and smooth performance, though some users find the battery life and smaller size less appealing. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is lauded for its affordability, large display, versatile camera, and long-lasting battery, though the lack of a US warranty and occasional issues with accessories are noted. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 12 mini and the Galaxy A15 5G, two great phones each with their own strengths. Are you Team Apple or Team Samsung? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another showdown. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.